the creative lenses of Mike Aldrin de la Cruz Photography, this is the same day edit video of our newly wedded couple for today, no water tag, Mr. and Mrs. Deseo.
Tayo po ay nagtitipon ngayon sa bagong ito upang ipagdiwang at hinahangad, ipagdiwang at saksihan ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Jonah at Jolene Ann. Hinahangad ang dalawang ito ang pag-ibig na hindi maniwalay sa lipunan na kanilang ginagalawan. Bagkos, isang pinagsasama na naglilingkod sa Diyos at kanilang magiging pamilya.
Yo, congrats. Tawa na ba?
Dear Jerlyn, thank you sa halos 7 taon nating magkasama. Naalala ko pa noong taong 2017, bumati tayo sa isa't isa ng maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon. Pero bago pa man yun, hinahangaan na kita. At kung ang karamihan tumatalon at nangangarap na tumangkad sa bagong taon, ako na may nangangarap na maging hangin. So I could kiss your skin, live through your hair, and carry your scent with me forever.
Laika, ito gift ko. For Yummy. For Jersey.
Jeps, Vincent, tsaka Ace, I promise to love you even when we don't agree. And even if I get the opportunities to shine with the stars, I would still choose to sit under the rain with you. I vow to stand by you in every season of my life. May the God guide us on our journey.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Beng. Please accept this gift and add this to your collection.
Hi B, sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Alam ko matagal mo nang itong gusto kaya ito naisip kong regalo.
Pero 3 bagay lang ang kailangan ko ngayon. The sun, para ngayong araw. The moon, para ngayong gabi. At ikaw, para sa habang buhay. See you later. I love you.
I am happy na we're finally here. And I can't wait to see you. I love you.
May pang-office na ako. May pang-office na ako. Thank you.
Bye, Lice. Lagi sa abi lang kami.
Congrats, Ate V. Kakasal ka na. Papakain ka doon. Wala na akong kasama mag-merienda. Itong hapon. Thank you.
Congrats, pre. Jesus today.
Thank you, Frankie.
Tumawid yung daliri ko dun sa ano. Sorry na. Ilang oras na lang.
Hi baby! Ito na. Ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Thank God kasi nakilala kita at ikaw yung binigay sa akin. I still remember the first time na nagkausap tayo. It was only in Messenger. Kasi you greeted me, Merry Christmas. And then I replied back.
Try to come between us. None of them seem to
Thank you for being respectful to me, not only to me, but also to my family. Thank you for being helpful to others, especially in family. And thank you for always with me through ups and downs. I promise to love you unconditionally, support you in all our dreams for us, and I promise that I will choose you and love you each more each day no matter what.
for me. And in this random world,
So yun po ang kalooban ng ating Panginoon. Na magsama sila na tinatawag natin Children Gospel. Samantalang naman ang makapaghiwalay sa mag-asawa.
until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
Malipas ang panahon, hindi natin namalayan na tuwing darating sa maring araw, bumabaki tayo sa isa't isa ng magandang araw, ang magandang umaga. Dahil mo rin sa pangaraw-araw na haming buhay sa hirap na naginawa. At sa bawat gabi, bago mo natin ang ating mga mata, saksi ng magandang buhay. Sa pagpapawaan natin, lumayan natin ang bawat isa.
From the moment we met, my heart knew it had found its home. As we stand in the front of each other today, I promise to love you unconditionally, to support your dreams, and to be by your side no matter what.